So really quick here, I'm going to show you how to find your target link that you're looking for in a file that contains a lot of data. So I'm going to start with, let's see what I started. Oh, I'm just going to start with the text file. So let's just say, for example, I'm just going to choose a random URL that I'm going to be searching for on here. Okay, if I were to click on Ctrl F, that right there is going to appear. I want to select Match Case and make sure you check either or, and then you just want to Ctrl V and paste in the URL that you're looking for, and then click on Find Next. And as you can see, it automatically should take you to it. Now, if it doesn't work when you have it selected on direction down, then you want to obviously select the direction up. And if it still doesn't find it, then that means that the URL just doesn't probably exist on the file, or you have to retry again. So that's how you find a URL in a text file full of data. Now let me show you how to find it in Excel. So here I have an Excel file opened, and I have, like thousands of backlinks on this Excel file. And all I have to do is click on Ctrl F and then click on Ctrl V to paste in the URL that I'm looking for, and then select Find Next. I click on that, and it takes me directly to the URL that I'm looking for. So that's another way. That's how you do it in Excel. And then the last one that I want to show you is HTML. So the first step is to go to the URL, the page that you want to search for your link. And once you find the page, you can either click on Ctrl U, and it's going to open up the source code of the page, or you can go back to the page, right click, actually let me right click over here, and then you want to find something that says View Page Source. If you click that, it's going to take you directly to the same thing, which is the source code of that page. So let me pause this until the source code is fully loaded. Alright, and then all you have to do is click on Ctrl F and then type in the URL that you're looking for. You can either type it or paste it, it doesn't matter. I think it's better to type it though when it comes to the source code. And see, the good thing about this is when you just type in a portion of it, a lot of times it'll just take you directly to the URL. And I've already found mine right here. And it's really good to do this, to use this technique, because sometimes when you buy blog comments, there's so many different comments on that one blog to the point where it'll take you forever to try to find your URL on that, on that blog. It'll take you forever to try to find that blog comment that you purchased. And sometimes, like if you try to do Ctrl F from here and try to search, like, as you can see, it's not showing me that my URL is actually on this page. But that's why I have to go into the source code and find it just to confirm it. And you want to do this, to make sure that, you're not getting ripped off, pretty much. Because you don't want to get ripped off as a buyer when you're buying backlinks to, and of course you're not going to have time to check every single URL for your backlink. But that's why there's certain tools that you can use that do these types of things for you. But I just wanted to show you how you can also do it manually. So if you like this video, like the video and subscribe to my channel. And if you haven't had a chance to check out my blog, be sure to go to my blog, makemoneyinrecession.wordpress.com, and take a look around. You might actually be able to learn something from my blog. And thank you for watching.